Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pallavi Gangadkar. I'm practicing as a fertility specialist at Cloud9. 2 years back, I've completed 2D ultrasound course by Dr. Supriya ma'am, and after that I did my fellowship from Garbhagudi, where routinely we were practicing 2D ultrasound. So now to upgrade to 3D ultrasound, I took the same course 3D ultrasound under Dr. Supriya ma'am in Garbhagudi, and it was a one-day exclusive training of only 3D scans. To get into 3D scans, you'll have to first have experience with 2D scans, which is very important. And the 3D scans always complement the 2D scans. And the training was very nice, and then it covered almost all the aspects, including uterine anomalies, the abnormal uterus, the ovaries, the sono AVCs, and everything. So this course is recommended for anyone who want to upgrade their ultrasound skills, transvaginal, 2D and 3D. Please do visit Garbhagudi. Thank you.